How to make a mask. We're going to start with a Caribbean Carnival mask. First of all, you need a piece of cardboard. This is an old IKEA box. And then draw out the template with a pencil. Mark in where your eyes are going to go. You could use sunglasses, draw around some sunglasses, and then make it a bit bigger. And you want those nice pointy corners. Then cut it out. If you have used very thick card, then maybe get an adult to help you with that. Then you're going to start decorating. So as many bright colours as possible, patterns, thick lines, thin lines. Cut out the eye sockets. You'll definitely want an adult to help you with that. And then you can start gluing embellishments on, so that makes it a collage. So I put glitter on mine, and I found some felt, so I'm going to make feathers out of the felt and put those in the corner, along with a couple of baubles I found, foam baubles. And there we are, you're ready to go to the carnival. Next, it's a knight's mask. Lots of people go to castles when they go on holiday in the UK. So you just need some cardboard. Use an old Coca-Cola box. And first of all, draw the hat. So you could get your winter hat and draw around that. That'll be about the right size, and cut that out. Next, you need to cut out the slit on the helmet so that you can see through. And next is the visor. So that's what's going to cover your mouth and your chin and protect those from someone else's sword. You can draw on the air holes and just leave them there, or you can draw them on and get someone to help you cut them out. Next, you're going to draw on the parts of the helmet. So I put on my emblem. So I've got a coat of arms on there. And I've tried to make it look 3D as well. This is a Kenyan mask. These are made out of wood and they're much bigger than a person's head. So do a really nice big template. Draw on the eye sockets, and then once you've got the eye sockets, you can start building up a pattern. They've got beautiful patterns on them. Have a look online to get some ideas. So you can see there are thick lines, thin lines, spots, swirls. Looks very angry. And then you can colour that in. Only use primary colours, because all the colours would be from natural materials. And the rest of the mask will be wood, so that will be brown. Then cut that out. And to make it really 3D and stand out away from your face and look scary, I've stuck it onto a carton, and that also means that I can stick on some hair to make it look even more frightening. Lots of the African masks have hair. And this is the ancient Egyptian mask. So it's a pharaoh's mask. Draw out the template. The templates for these you can get online. So if you have got a printer, you could print those out, or you could get the picture up on the computer or tablet to copy. Draw the outline out and then fill that in and cut it out. And cut out the eye sockets. Now, he needs to have very dark charcoal around the eyes and on his eyebrows. And then I'm using blue and gold for the rest of the decoration. And I wanted to do a collage for this one. So I had some yellow material, felt. You could use yellow paper or gold. You could use foil. And then cut it out to fit onto the mask. Now I'm rushing through this because I had 6 masks to make, but obviously you're going to be really careful and make sure it all fits in beautifully. And then I've put some glitter on the face to make it look really jazzy.